Hello students. In our previous class, we discussed about government budget, its meaning and objectives. Today, let's discuss about components of government budget or structure of government budget. When we think about the structure or components of government budget, we can see budget has two components. One is revenue budget, deals with the revenue account, and other one capital budget deals with the capital account. Primarily we can say revenue budget and capital budget. A little more in a clarified way, if you analyze, we can see revenue budget, it consists of revenue receipts and revenue expenditure. So we can categorize revenue budget into two, revenue receipts and revenue expenditure. It means the revenue sources of the government, the sources of revenue. Because as we discussed in our yesterday's class, budget we mean it is the annual statement regarding receipts and expenditure. So means revenue receipts. What are the sources of revenue to the government? And revenue expenditure means the expenditure of the government for salaries for the employees and the official expenses. Those are coming under revenue expenditure. Clear? So revenue receipts and revenue expenditure, first category, revenue budget. While capital budget consists of capital receipts and capital expenditure. Capital receipts we mean this topic we can say in terms of either it creates assets or liability to the government and all. Capital receipts we mean it consists of source of revenue to the government in the form of borrowings, recovery and other receipts. Capital expenditure we mean it is creating asset to the government. So once again, capital budget we can categorize into two, capital receipts and capital expenditure. Clear? So now we have four elements, four contents. First of all, revenue receipts and revenue expenditure. Second one, capital receipts and capital expenditure. So two receipts and two expenditures. So once again, for the sake of convenience, let us categorize these elements according to receipts and expenditure. That will be a comfortable division, convenient division for us. How? Can be divided on the basis of receipts and expenditure. What are the sources? Receipts. Receipts means earnings. In a revenue also what receipt is there, that is revenue receipt. In capital also what receipt is there, that is capital receipt. In the same way, expenditure also, in revenue also expenditure is there, that is essential part of the government to give salary and other things for the employees. And the same way, capital expenditure to create asset for the nation and all. Clear? So from both, these receipts we made in one block and the expenditure we made in other blocks. So receipts blocks and expenditure block. Accordingly, we can conclude that budget receipts and budget expenditure. So what are they? Budget receipts we mean the two receipts. First one, revenue receipts. Second one, capital receipts. Revenue receipts consists of two things. Source of revenue we can categorize into two. That is from tax revenue and non-tax revenue. The same way, capital receipts we can categorize into three. Borrowings, recovery of loans and other receipts. These are the revenue sources. Once again, tax receipts consist of tax revenue and non-tax revenue. Capital receipts consist of borrowings, recovery of loans and other receipts. These are the five major sources of revenue to the government. It's coming under budget receipts. Clear? While budget expenditure we mean totally expenditure part of the government. It consists of revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. What are revenue expenditure? Revenue expenditure we mean the essential expenditure of the government. salaries and wages to the government employees and essential expenditure of the government, inevitable part, as administrative part. Is it? That is a revenue expenditure. And capital expenditure means creation of assets. So in this topic, we can analyze on the basis of whether it creates any asset to the government or it reduces the liability of the government, anything. So we have to study assets and liability aspects in budget expenditure part. So a detailed class will conduct in the forthcoming classes. So tomorrow we'll discuss one by one what are the budget receipts and its elements, and what are the budget expenditure and its elements. So let us sum up once again. Budget receipts, it consists of revenue receipts and capital receipts. Revenue receipts consists of tax revenue and non-tax revenue. Capital receipts consists of borrowings, recovery of loans and other receipts. While budget expenditure consists of revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Means either it creates assets or it reduces asset of the country, or it creates liability or it reduces liability of the country. In that way we have to discuss the topic. Hope you enjoyed the class. Tomorrow I'll come with a new topic, budget receipts. Thank you.